Hi kindergartners! Welcome back to Math with Miss Hulsart. Today is Jersey Day. Now you might not know this, but Miss Hulsart loves soccer. It's my favorite sport in the whole entire world to watch and to play when I used to play soccer. So today I am wearing a soccer jersey. You can wear a jersey from a sport you like or from a sport you play, or from dance, a jersey or a shirt, whatever you want, something cool to represent sports for Spirit Week. Now today for math, we're going to start with today's question, and it is a perfect question for Jersey Day. Let's get started. Because the question says, do you like to play sports? Now, I bet you a lot of you might be wearing a jersey or a dance uniform or something for when you like to play sports. So today, I'm going to fill out based on what I think, because of course I don't have friends to poll. Do you like to play sports? Yes or no? So I'm going to fill out some friends in our yes column. I know a friend in my class likes to swim. I know a couple friends in my class like to dance. I know some of my boys play football. So I think a lot of us like to play sports, but I know a couple of the friends in my class don't play any sports. So let's go back and check. Do you like to play sports? Yes or no? Let's count our yes column. Get ready. 1, 'What number did you get to? If you said 13, I agree. How am I going to write a number 13? It's 2 digits. You need a and a 1 and a 3. Very good. 13 people said yes, they like to play sports. Now, let's count our no's. Get ready. 1, 5. Now, watch how I write the 5, because I see some of my friends have still been writing it backwards. Now, how many people answered today's question? If we zoom in, Miss Hulsart has already started our number sentence. 13 plus 5 equals, let's zoom back out. Well, I already know that this is 13, so I just need to keep counting on from 13. What comes after 13? 13. Good, let's count. Ready? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How am I going to write an 18? A 1 and an 8. Very good. Remember that 8 is tricky. It's a little circle on top and a big circle on the bottom. So now let's look back. We see that 13 people like to play sports. 5 people do not like to play sports. So which one had more? Which is a bigger number? Yeah, 13 is our bigger number. More friends said they like to play sports than they do not like to play sports. And 18 people answered today's question. Your turn to read the number sentence. Get ready. Yeah, 13 plus 5 equals 18. First, I polled and I found that 13 people like to play sports. Then I marked the 5 people who do not like to play sports. After I added it all up, my answer is 18 people answered today's question. Good work, kindergartners. Now today for math, we are going to play a new game, and it's called Fill the Treasure Chest. So you get to be like a pirate and try and fill the treasure chest. Here's how the game works. Again, we're using our fluency cards, and looks like our pennies are in the way on Miss Hulsart's version, but that's okay. I'm gonna flip. 2 plus 2. 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put 4 pennies in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I can flip again. 4 minus 1. 4, 3. Now I'm going to put 3 more pennies in. 1, 2, 3. What would I do next, friends? Yeah, I'm going to want to flip another card because I have to fill the whole treasure chest. Now, the treasure chest, these are tens frames. How many pennies am I going to need to fill the treasure chest? If I'm not sure, I can count these by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'm going to need to play until I get to 40 pennies. So look, 2 plus 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Am I done? No, you're absolutely right. I'm done with the first tens frame, but I didn't finish the treasure chest. I want to fill the whole thing up. And then when I'm done, I'm going to press this check mark in the bottom to turn my work into my teacher. After that, friends, you are going to watch a video about counting by tens. Now, we've been practicing and practicing counting by tens, so this shouldn't be that tricky. After you've watched the video, you're going to try this, counting hands. Now, remember, when we count fingers, what do we count by? Tens. Very good. So listen to the directions.
Try it. Drag pairs of hands to the workspace.
Oh, okay, so I'm going to drag some pairs of hands. I'm going to do this many. All right, now let's see.
Count by tens to find the total number of fingers.
Count by 10, 20. Good. So you would, however many hands you put in here, it's up to you. You're going to count by tens, and then you're going to write your answer on the line. So Miss Hulsart right now has 50. And then I would press the check mark to turn that work in to my teacher. Now, the last thing you have today, friends, is a worksheet. And your worksheet is about tails and ears. We're talking about tails. Are we talking about people? No, we are talking about animals, specifically dogs and cats. How many ears? How many tails? When we count tails, what are we going to count by? Ones. Very good. Each animal has 1 tail. So I would go 1, 2, and write that answer on the line. If I don't want to write it, I can always press this text box and type my answer, and then I can just drag it right onto the line where I want it. How many ears? Ears I count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, all the way through. You're going to do that on the top, and then again on the bottom. And then you should be able to turn the work into your teacher. Our learning objective today is that students will be able to add and subtract within 5. Here's how you're going to know that you did everything you needed to do. Criteria for success. I filled the treasure chest by adding the correct number of pennies when I solved a problem. Every time I solved that problem, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1, I added pennies to the treasure chest until I fill it all the way up until I get to 40 pennies. Then I counted fingers by tens, and I counted tails by 1s and ears by 2s. Lots of skip counting today, 10s, 1s, and 2s. Make sure you don't get tricked. Have fun, kindergartners. See you next time.